Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about the Kershaw Shuffle DIY, and this is going to be a unique multi-tool in that it is essentially a pocket knife with a couple extra functions that really make it a lot more useful. So this is going to have the lock right here, and it is going to be a 2.4 inch blade is what they classify it. I think it's actually 2.37. And let's go ahead and measure this. So this is actually going to be close to 6 inches open. And then let's go ahead and close this up. And it is going to be about just over about 3.5 inches closed. This will be 3.5 ounces. This is a very lightweight knife. And then it also has a pocket clip as well, considering it's lightweight, considering it has these extra functions as well. All right, so we have the knife, and then we also have the bottle opener, which is this right here. And just so you know, some people do consider this as uncomfortable, as that it actually gets in the way and almost sort of is painful in the hand. I really didn't find it that way, but other people do find it that way. I guess if you're really using the knife for hard use stuff, maybe it would be. So one of the things we find in the handle is we do have the other function, which is the screwdriver. So let's go ahead and take out the Phillips, and we are able to use this. And I actually find this knife fairly comfortable to use as a screwdriver. So there are a couple multi-tools that are actually very unwieldy, just very uncomfortable to use, but this one right here actually seems to work pretty good. And then you can snap these bits back in place, and the screwdriver, the bit holder on the end, does have magnetic retention as well. So that is something that is nice as well. So this is going to definitely be a multi-tool of sorts. This is going to be sort of similar, but obviously different. One of the things I reviewed probably over a year ago now was the Irwin, which actually has a bit holder built into it, but this is just a utility blade, where this is an actual pocket knife. So if you're not really a fan of multi-tools and you actually want more of a knife-based system, I think this might fulfill your needs. This is going to be somewhere around the $30 to $40 price range. This is going for $27 right now on Amazon, so not a bad price considering all the function you have with it. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this review. Definitely a little bit different. Usually we don't do knife reviews here, but since it has some multi-tool capability, I thought this was valid to do. If you don't want to pay $70 to $80 for the SOG Flash MT, which actually has similar capability in a smaller system, this might be something you'd be interested in. Well, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.